Tesla owners cannot make their cars fart at pedestrians, says U.S. government. Well, they got an old.
They're like,
they
don't
got
do
an
that.
Old Elon.
Yeah,
picture.
I like that photo.
With the blue tint, and I think it must be like a roadster he's sitting near. It looks like he might be grinding his teeth, though. He looks like the girlfriend that you were talking about earlier.
Yeah,
Will.
sure. Yeah.
He's got some sort of swag going on. I'm not sure exactly what the energy is, but there's something with the hunched up shoulders and the teeth grinding. He looks like he's
in
like that's
production
the last car.
hell.
And he's
Yeah, I
gotta
was gonna say.
sell
I
it.
think I just see stress there.
Yeah.
And then he's like, "Oh, I got a photo shoot," and then you're stressed, but you're trying to look like you're not.
He's like Gil from The Simpsons.
Earlier this month, the U.S. government forced Tesla to recall 54,000 cars via an over-the-air software modification after regulators caught wind of an assertive. Oh my God! Look what this. You see what this article's trying to do? Assertive. Get it? Well. Update within the already dangerous full self-driving beta. Among other lovely features, this update allowed vehicle AI to perform a rolling stop at stop signs, which is an illegal traffic maneuver in case you weren't aware. This week, Elon Musk's EV company was slapped with yet another software recall request that, although potentially not technically illegal, was still both obnoxious and unsafe for fellow drivers and pedestrians. Tesla owners can't make their cars fart at people anymore. This was a multimedia feature inside the boombox where you had different options for sound effects. I think we did it in a video.
Yeah, there was a goat, right, or some kind of howling animal. There was definitely the.
Is that replacing the horn
Yeah, you changed the horn, right? You changed the horn sound, I think.
to a fart? You can do that?
I think you could, right?
It becomes both in conjunction. Like I think it still behaves like a horn, but then it's also a fart. I've done this. I have a Tesla, I swear. There was a video. It's right over there.
Well, you just changed the horn to be like a goat and like an auga and whatever.
Yeah.
Right.
La cucaracha, you know.
Technically, this affects every single Tesla on the road right now, which is 500,000. To be a bit more precise, of course, the fix is much easier when all it takes is an over-the-air software update, but it's still a ridiculously large number of cars to be deemed potential hazards by the NHTSA. What do you guys think? Is it dangerous to be farting at pedestrians?
Definitely get your attention. If it's like an overly loud fart,
Yeah, like it's a ripper.
yeah.
Yeah.
It first debuted in a software update back in 2020 and was touted as a way to help increase pedestrian visibility via warning sounds. Yeah, I don't know about that. I think it's a bunch of drivers having a bit of fun is what it actually is, which is fine because nothing wrong with fun. I think people need to remember that every so often. But the car at low speeds already is making a noise, right? It's got this like hum to it, which is an artificial noise, but serves that same purpose because the cars are so quiet to let people know that the vehicle's about to move when they get near it. So that's still in there. Never mind the fart.